I'm going to show you the top 5 best DHgate spreadsheet for resellers. Now I'm going to show you 5 I found. The first one is called the best DHgate spreadsheet. I'm not sure who made this. I found this random link from a beacon. If there is a creator, then credits to whoever that creator is. This has a lot of products here and there's also links, and you can see $35, and there's also a couple of information along with it as well. You can see here. Very good replica, very comfortable and long lasting. The next one is called Cheese Reselling Spreadsheet. It's unscripted, so it's not exactly on a Excel, but it's pretty good. So this is what it will look like. Cheese, it's made by Cheese, so credit to Cheese. This is what it will look like, pretty similar to earlier, and you can see there's quite a lot. The next one is a pretty popular one. It's by David Teka. This is the ultimate one. This is the one you'll usually see flying around. Now, on here, this is one of the most comprehensive one out there. There is a lot of products here. I think the sales go on to the thousands. So you can see there's a lot of here. You can see right there. So this is one of the nicest one here. It's by David Teka. So if you've just search up David Teka 13, you'll probably find this spreadsheet here. It's one of the most popular one and one of the most well-known one as well. The next one is by Hitus. Now it is you need to buy this on quotation mark. You will need to get for free. You will need to enter in your name and your email address, but it's pretty similar to David Teka's and all of the other one as well. The next one is paid, but it's a pretty good one. This is from Etsy. This is $25. It's a reseller spreadsheet, cross-trace tracker, Google Sheets, Flipper, sheet inventory sales tracker, Poshmark, eBay, whatnot, US template. It's on this link here.